Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. I remember those days when table linens were always scattered around my house. Honestly, I could never find them in a hurry. And with guests coming over, I'd be like rush everywhere searching those drawers and closets. But recently, I have found a system that keeps everything organized and ready to use. No more last minute chaos. And today, I'm sharing how to store tablecloth, napkins, and runners, making them easily accessible even in small spaces. But first, I am making a quick one pot coconut rice dish. It's perfect for those days when you need a delicious meal with minimal effort. So I'll start by soaking some rice in water. While that's happening, I'll fry few cashew in little bit of oil. You can use almonds or you can totally skip nuts. In the same pan, I'll add all the aromatics and some finely chopped veggies. It's a very flexible dish. You can add whatever you like you have in fridge. I am adding some cauliflower, some carrots and some beans.
Coffee in a paper cup, hot it cleans and stuff right up. Clip myself into the music.
I love adding dried fruit for the little hint of sweetness and tanginess. And today I'm using blueberries, but raisins, apricot works well in this recipe too. Once veggies are cooked, add the rice, some salt, and pour this coconut cream water mixture with little bit of cardamom powder and biryani masala. Simmer it for 5 to 8 minutes until the rice is done. To finish it off, just drizzle some leftover coconut cream, a pinch of cardamom powder, and some chopped fresh coriander. Today I'll serve this with refreshing sweet rose jaggery lassi, and it's such a comforting meal, especially when you had a busy day.
Everything in life feels very frightening, and I love it so much that I longer don't know why even. So violent, my mind, every thought I have, I'm done. But it's like I know, might just meet some guy and cry a little. Help me, I need a good advice. Please don't say no, be my hero. You can tell me lies, please don't cut these ties. Need a hero, 'cause I got zero.
If you've been watching my video, then you know I love using table runners and tablecloths to brighten up my home. It adds so much warmth to any setting. The other day, I was organizing my credenza to store gift wrapping supplies. That day, I decided that I'll dedicate one section to organize my table linen and hosting supplies. I am using this non-woven fabric wardrobe organizer. They are lightweight and perfect for small spaces. I'll use it in a very different way. You will see in the end. I'm storing all my tablecloths segregated in types of prints and stripes, and I will mix and match the solids in these two categories. In the cornermost shelf of this organizer, I'll store all the sofa throw blankets. I like to roll all my table runners as much as I like to roll a sushi or a burrito. It saves space and keep them wrinkle free. So in my first column of organizer, I store all the runners. Second and third has all my tablecloths, and the last one has all the sofa throws. It's a simple setup and will make my changing table linens very easy. But this can be used for storing bed sheets, bed covers, pillow covers, or even in actual wardrobe where you have to stack things like storing of tops, jeans, trousers. I think you get the idea. I'm using this paper bag to store all the table mats. As shared in one of my previous videos, method to store all the table napkins remains the same. I just added an extra plastic sleeve on top to protect everything from dust.
Through the arbor, in the garden room, wings are beating, baby, me and you alone. Pencil drop.
One project that I have been meaning to tackle was turning this pillow cover into a table runner. It came with a single bed sheet, and which you must have seen in my videos I have used as tablecloth. So today I am thinking of using needle and thread instead of my sewing machine. We'll see how it goes. I'll share in my upcoming videos how it went. Now we all will be relaxing in the living room area. She will finish her homework with us, and Anshuman and Hal will be busy doing our things. This is how mostly our evening looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, bye-bye.
The distant chill with the memories of winters past, of the ones I wish would have lasted. Oh, the light like snow tells secrets of long ago, of carols sung, of gifts we've known. Oh, the light like snow whispers softly on the wind as memories